Namaste everyone, this is Aritri. Today we will speak about dynamic breathing, and first we will know why we should do dynamic breathing, right? So our lungs capacity is 5 to 6 liter, okay, or we can say it like 5000 to 6000 cc. That is closing capacity. Now in normal condition, when we do breathing, we take only 500 cc air inside. So with that air, the amount of oxygen is going inside, it is working on different cells, it is like performing the respiration, so there are lots of workload on that much of oxygen, right? So when we do breathing exercise, what we do, like we breathe in slowly and then we hold the breath and then slowly we exhale, right? So here what happens, like we breathe in slowly means we are taking more and more air inside. Along with that air, we are taking more oxygen inside. Then when we are holding the breath, that time also what is happening, like the oxygen is going to all the cells of the body and it is performing its actions with its full capacity. And then when we are exhaling, then it is taking out all the toxins from our body in the form of carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the way, like this is the basic reason why we should do dynamic breathing. And there is a ratio which we follow here, that is 1:4:2. okay, so if we breathe in 1 second, then the holding time duration should be 4 times of inhalation. Okay, means 4 seconds you need to hold the breath, and then the exhalation time is 2 times than the inhalation times, like it is the double than the inhalation. Exhalation should be double than the inhalation. Here actual timing which we follow is 4 seconds of inhalation, 16 seconds of holding time and 8 seconds of exhalation. Now if someone is suffering from asthma, or they have any respiratory system problem or lung problem, then what they can do is, like you can start with 8-second holding. Okay, you can start, or like you can go with your capacity. Like if you can hold for 6 seconds, that is also fine with you. It depends up to you. Okay, and then slowly once you start practicing this, in 15 days or 1 month, you can see your capacity is increasing. After 15 days you can see, now you can suppose you were in the starting you were holding it for 6 seconds or 8 seconds, now you are holding it for 10 seconds. So you can just increase day by day. Okay, increase it. And those who all are very healthy, they can start doing it with holding time with 16 seconds, and then slowly you can increase to 18 seconds and then 20 seconds, like that. Okay, now 4 seconds inhalation, 16 seconds holding time and 8 seconds of exhalation. Total is 28 seconds. So that means in 1 minute you can do 2 cycles. So this 28 second total this thing is like 1 cycle. Okay, inhalation, holding time and exhalation is 1 cycle. Like that you must do 10 cycles. Okay, it only takes like 5 minutes, and it's very, like you can give your 5 minutes of time anytime. If you feel exhausted, if you feel anxiety, you can do this, or you can do this while lying down on the bed, or while sitting, while traveling. You can do it anytime, while watching TV. And the best part of this is, when you are performing this breathing exercise, what happens, like you count. Mostly what you do, you close your eyes and you count the seconds in your mind, right? So that time automatically you concentrate a lot. You are going in a meditative state that time. You are concentrating, so it increases your concentration level also. Okay, so if you are lying down, it's fine. If you are sitting and doing this, you need to sit straight, keep your back straight, your spine straight, and then hands, tip of the index and thumb should be joined together. Keep it on your knee, or you can just keep your hands relaxed one over the other and just keep it on your lap. Sit straight. We will start with a normal breathing and then we will do with the counting. You just see here how to do it. I will give you a guided audio with which you can practice. Okay, now I'm going to take a deep breath in, breathe out. Now inhale 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one was a complete cycle. Like that you have to do 10 cycles, and you see the magic. In few days your stamina, your energy level will be increased. Keep practicing dynamic breathing. Thank you all.